Are you tired of struggling with stubborn pet stains and odors on your carpets? Say hello to the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner, a powerful solution for deep cleaning and renewing your carpets. This top-of-the-line carpet cleaner is designed to deliver professional-level results right in the comfort of your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner machine into your home. Unleash the power of 5 SpinScrub brushes. The Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner is equipped with 5 counter-rotating SpinScrub brushes that work tirelessly to tackle deep, set-in stains from every angle. These brushes penetrate deep into the carpet fibers, loosening, lifting, and removing even the toughest stains with ease. Say goodbye to pet messes and hello to fresh, clean carpets. Tailored for homes with pets, pet owners rejoice. The PowerScrub XL is specially designed to handle the unique challenges of pet messes. With powerful suction and scrubbing brushes combined with Hoover's specialized cleaning solution, this carpet cleaner effectively eliminates pet stains and odors, leaving your carpets looking and smelling fresh. Quick Clean Mode for convenience. Need to freshen up a smaller area in a hurry? The convenient Quick Clean mode has you covered. This mode dispenses less formula and water, allowing your carpets to dry faster so you can get back to enjoying your clean home in no time. TrueMax Tank Technology for continuous cleaning. With Hoover's patented TrueMax Tank Technology, you can clean from room to room without the hassle of frequently stopping to empty and refill the dirty water tank. Clean more efficiently and effectively with fewer interruptions to your cleaning routine. Versatile tools for comprehensive cleaning. The PowerScrub XL comes with a range of versatile tools to tackle messes beyond your carpets. From stubborn pet messes to upholstery stains, the included pet tool and upholstery tool ensure a thorough clean from floor to ceiling. What's included? With your purchase of the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner, you'll receive everything you need to achieve professional-level results, including an upholstery tool, a pet tool, a nozzle cleanout tool, 8-feet hose, storage bag, and a sample bottle of cleaning solution. Elevate your cleaning game today. In conclusion, the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner is a must-have for pet owners and anyone seeking a deep, thorough clean for their carpets. With its powerful cleaning performance, quick clean mode, TrueMax Tank Technology, and versatile tools, it's the ultimate solution for achieving professional-level results at home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.